Junior Buddies.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for the latest update. 4 seasons: spring, warm, warm. Spring is warm. Flower, flower. It is flowering season. Picnic, picnic. I love going to a picnic in spring. Spring, spring. It is spring. Summer, hot, hot. Summer is so hot. Vacation, vacation. I love summer vacation. Beach, beach. In summer, we go to the beach. Summer, summer. It is summer. Fall, cool, cool. Fall is cool. Leaves, leaves. The leaves are falling. Harvest, harvest. Fall is the season of harvest. Fall, fall. It's fall. Winter, cold, cold. Winter is cold. Snow, snow. It snows a lot in winter. Snowman, snowman. We are making a snowman. Winter, winter. It's winter. Four seasons: spring, warm, flower, picnic. Summer, hot, vacation. Beach, fall, cool. Leaves, harvest. Winter, cold, snow. Snowman, If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel.